Hey, what is up, guys? Sam here, and today I got this really nice and cool package from Amazon. Guess what is in it? You might probably know by reading my video title. So, this box contains an eyeball marathon 500 watt peak power supply unit or PSU. So, let's just quickly jump into the brief description of this power supply unit. These are the documents available on official iball website. You can go through it. I'll provide the link in the description. So these documents read marathon 500 watt peak eyeball high performance high efficiency 500 watt peak power supply. So the cost given on the in this document is 2290 rupees or around $31, which may differ from seller to seller. I bought it on Amazon for $30. So let's go through features and specifications. The features say mesh shielding ATX 24-pin main power cable with mesh shielding. Okay. Cables and connector, high quality cables and connector, PCB design. Okay, high quality pan which is 12 centimeter. That's good. And here are a few more technical terms. So most important for us is output watts. So we can get 500 watt as the peak output, and the fan size is 12 centimeter, which is quite good for cooling. And the cables, it has got lots and lots of cable, and the cable length is 52 centimeter. So here are the list of connector: 1 into 24 pin connector, 1 into 4 pin small FFD connectors, 1 into 4 pin ID connector, 1 into 4 SATA connectors, 1 into 4 plus 4 pin AUX MB connectors, and 1 into 6 plus 2 pin PCI connectors. So this is actually quite good for us. We can connect a very decent graphics card like GTX 1060 or 1070 on it without bottlenecking. So it has came with black color, and these are the few certifications. So the reason why I bought this power supply unit or PSU is that I actually own an eyeball case, so it is a nice fit for this power supply. And the reason number 2 is I have got a very tight budget, so this is the best you can find in the budget of $30 according to my opinion. So with that being said, let's start the actual unboxing. Let's see what's inside it, what are the stuff we are handed over. I'll start by cutting the side tips. It is little bit harder, so I have to be rough. Okay. Amazon provides us with really nice packing, although it gets very hard to cut it by the small scissor like this. Anyways, we are going to do it. So let's open it, and this is some billing. Let me just keep it aside. It has got lots and lots of protection here, some cardboard packages here, and ta-da! This is our box of actual power supply unit. So let me just keep this box aside, and here's our PSU. Let's unbox it. So it has come with a handle here. It also has a plastic wrap. Okay. Let's see the box content. It has written iball marathon 500 watt. The same thing we read in the documentation. Here is the iball branding and logo, and same thing written. Here is the marathon player's photo. This is seller's details, and let's start with cutting this. Okay. And here is our main cable, which will go directly from power supply unit to our UPS battery. Oh my god, this is the power supply. Ta-da! These are few zip ties and screws for better cable management. We'll keep it aside for now and we'll focus on this power supply unit. So here's bubble wrap, and oh my god, see this glory. I can literally smell it. This power supply, it has got very new and fabricated smell. This is a bunch of cables, 4-pin Molex connector, SATA cable, the main cable, 14-pin cable which will go to motherboard, and lots of cable. So finally guys, here's the full package what we all get after purchasing this. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review. For more, subscribe to Sam's Tech 4 for more unboxing, review and gaming and technological videos. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. You are the best audience ever.